Hello, this is Lucas here at MarineMax Lake Ozark. The boat I'm showing you today is the Sea Ray 2025 250 SDX Surf. This is going to come in the Sea Ray light blue exterior. This has the stone interior with the gray sea deck. You have a big sun pad in the back. Walking in here through the transom, inside plenty of seating for all your family and friends. Spots to put the slide-in tables. Both the captain's and co-captain's chairs will move for you. Coming to the helm, you have dual Simrad screens, trim tab controls. Underneath here, you have a head or storage. Your co-captain has the head unit, own glove box. Moving to the bow, you have plenty of seating. Speakers for your enjoyment. Phone chargers in the corners. Good picture of all the seating that you and your family and friends will enjoy. This one does have the upgraded Fusion audio system as well. Board racks to hold your surfboards and wakeboards. Does have the built-in system to surf on. My name is Lucas. Give us a call here at MarineMax Lake Ozark and let's check out the Sea Ray Surf.